Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant veg. Begin by gathering flour, butter, salt, water, and your preferred vegetables like spinach and mushrooms. Keep butter cold and use simple folding techniques to form layers. Chill the dough between turns to maintain flakiness. Prepare fillings that are cooked and cooled before rolling. I will walk you through proofing, egg wash tips, and oven temperature to get a golden, crisp croissant. In this video, I will explain how to make croissant veg. Start with a sticky but manageable dough, then laminate by folding butter into dough 3 to 4 times. Keep everything cold to prevent butter melting and losing layers. Use light flouring and even pressure while rolling for consistent thickness. Chill for at least 30 minutes between folds. This approach helps build airy, flaky croissants ready for your savory vegetable fillings. In this video, I will help with how to make croissant veg. Cook your chosen vegetables until most liquid evaporates so croissants stay crisp. Add gentle seasoning and cool the mixture completely. Warm fillings will steam the dough. Use cheeses sparingly to avoid excess grease, and consider adding herbs for brightness. Spoon filling near the wide end of triangles, then roll snugly without overstuffing. Brush with egg wash for golden color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.